Bengal and Sikkim NCC Directorate will take you through an enjoyable journey through the land of rising sun, West Bengal, and Shangri-La on earth, Sikkim. So, ladies and gentlemen, sit back and let's watch the journey of Gopi and Bagha, the protagonists of the famous Satyajit Ray's film, Gopi Gai Bhagavan!
भूतों के राजा ने दिया वर, भूतों के राजा ने दिया वर, जबरदस्त दिन भर 1 2 3 जो चाहे पहनूं खाना चाहूं एक नंबर जहाँ भी चाहूं जा सकता हूँ 2 नंबर सारी दप मगर सगान सुनाऊं 3 नंबर कितना है सुंदर वो तो तेरा जाने दिया बस
क्या मेरे भाई क्या समझे सब समझ गए दादा ताली बजाओ मस्त मनाओ तो चल अब हम इस दिन भर को इस्तेमाल करके कहीं दूर सिक्किम की पहाड़ियों में चलते वाह क्या बात है मैं तो वहां जाके वहां का सब कुछ जानकारी लेकर ही आऊंगा बोल दिया मैंने चल ताली
Who are you?
Gopi, it is Bagha. We are two characters of Satyajit Ray's famous film, Gai Bhagavan. Madam, what is going on here?
We are the followers of Buddha. We, the Lamas, are all here to celebrate the Sakadawa festival, in which the holy scriptures are taken out in a procession. We, the people of Sikkim, celebrate anniversaries relating to birth, enlightenment, and nirvana of the Buddhas. Besides this, the Buddhist New Year festival, called Losar, is celebrated with great pomp and show. As the Dalai Lama said,
This is my simple religion. There's no need for temples, no need for complicated philosophies. Our own brain, our own heart is our temple. The philosophy is kindness.
Sikkim, the land of mystic majesty!
Sikkim, which lies below Mount Kanchenjunga.
Mount Kanchenjunga, the third highest peak in the world. Sikkim is bordered by...
There are many friends like who's they go to the south, who down to the east, to get to the north, will stop their path. Sikkim is full of fields, rivers, snow-covered lakes, Nebula and Jalata, covered with pristine snow.
Two major rivers are Tista and Rangi. The state of Sikkim is divided into 4 districts.
Manga to the north, Tashi to the south, Ghetto to the east, Gezi to the west.
The population of Sikkim is approximately 7 lakhs. Gangtok is the capital, and other prominent towns are Berlin and Yongsan. The climate of Sikkim varies from tropical to arctic.
Gopi, Bagha, now let me tell you about the history of Sikkim. The history of Sikkim can be traced back to 14th century, when Bhutias began entering this land from Tibet. This land was graced by Guru Rinpoche, the great saint of Nalanda University. Sikkim became the part of Indian Union on 16th May 1975. Thus, monarchy was abolished. Buddhism is the most prominent religion, and Rimte Gumba is one of the most famous monasteries.
इतिहास को झाँक लो Veer, veer, veer of Sikkim.
You know Gopi and Baka? I just visited a flower exhibition in Gangtok, and they had many varieties of orchids and rhododendrons.
And you know what? The local name of orchid is?
Sunakari.
Yes.
And the local name of rhododendron?
Kuras.
खिले orchids खिले
पहाड़ों में मेरा मन डोले हमारे सिक्किम में
And the fauna of Sikkim includes, Himalayan bear, snow leopard, and red panda.
Now, let us educate them about the economy and development of Sikkim. Sikkim's economy is mainly agrarian. Other main industries are distilleries. In fact, Sikkim is the largest producer of cardamom in India. In near future, Sikkim promises to be the powerhouse of Eastern Grid and a center for many micro and macro industries.
Well, wait. Let me tell you about the education of Sikkim. Sikkim is fast developing into an educational hub of the country. It has many institutions which provide good educational facilities to the students from all over India. Some of the reputed education institutions are Sikkim Manipal University of Technological Sciences, Sikkim Manipal Institute of Medical Sciences, and Sikkim Manipal Institute of Management.
Sports and tourism. Football and archery is central to Sikkim sports. Other main sports are whitewater rafting and mountaineering. Some of the famous sports personalities are Bhaichung Bhutia,
भाईचुंग भुटिया के पैरों में है जादू
Jaisal Pradhan,
जैसल प्रधान के मुक्के में बड़ा है दम इसके
आपको पता है? Sikkim is also famous for its tourism industries and trekking trails such as Yukthang Valley, Rabangla and Changu Lake. Besides the majestic view of Sikkim, tourists also prefer the taste of hot and yummy momos.
छंगूले राबंगला हम आपको घुमाएंगे मोमो और शपाले हम आपको खिलाएंगे
Megha, why don't we educate Gopi and Baka about the culture and tradition of Sikkim?
Oh yes, the folk dances and songs are an ingrained part of Sikkim's culture. The Maruni dance is one of the most popular dance forms practiced during the festive season.
आयो हामी पुरखा को रीत जनाते पुरखा को शान बढ़ाते वर्षा दिन को चार मनाते आयो हामी
The Kukri dance is another popular form of dance which symbolizes the triumph over the rivals.
क्यों नहीं?
पर उससे पहले दार्जिलिंग की गर्मा गर्म चाय हो जाए।
क्या आपको पता है इस बार विदेशों में दार्जिलिंग की फेमस चाय 1,12,000 रुपए किलो बिकी है।
हाँ, अब वेस्ट बंगाल की ज्योग्राफी के बारे में सुनिए। वेस्ट बंगाल, the land of rising sun.
আহাকি আনন্দ আকাশে বাতাসে শাখে শাখে পাখি ডাকে কত শোভা চারিপাশে আহাকি আনন্দ আকাশে বাতাসে।
Named West Bengal, but located in the east. It is the gateway to eastern India's 7 sister states. It also borders the foreign lands of Nepal, Bhutan, and Bangladesh. West Bengal has 5 distinct geographical regions, which are the Darjeeling Himalayas, Dewars, Central Heritage Bengal, Coastal Bengal, and Sundarban. These regions administered through 20 districts, including Gorkhaland Territorial Administration.
मैं गंगा हिमालय की गोद से उत्पन्न होकर गंगोत्री से बहते हुए बंगाल की भूमि से गुजरती
Hooghly, a tributary of the mighty river Ganga, flows through our state and joins the Bay of Bengal. Other important rivers are Teesta, Torsa, Jaldhaka, Mahananda, and Damodar.
The climate of West Bengal is divided into subtropical humid in the north to tropical savanna in the south. The population as of 2011 is 9.13 crores. As per the male-female ratio, 51% are female and 49 are male. The literacy as of 2011 is 76%, far higher than the national average of 73.
Do you guys know about the flora and fauna?
यस यस, हमें इतना बुद्धू मत समझो। वेस्ट बंगाल का साल, शिशु, सुंदरी, and oak.
And 19% of the state's land is covered by forests.
The state has got 15 wildlife sanctuaries and 5 national parks, covering 3% of the state's total land, and exhibits a diverse range of flora and fauna.
And the fauna includes?
Royal Bengal tiger,
Rhinoceros,
elephant,
Chinkaras,
Yes, red pandas, gangetic dolphins, and
crocodile. हमें एग्रीकल्चर के बारे में भी बहुत कुछ पता है। हाँ, वेस्ट बंगाल राइस और वेजिटेबल में फर्स्ट पोजीशन, आलू और चाय सेकंड।
flowers third position,
and fruits 7th position. अब मैं आपको वेस्ट बंगाल के इंडस्ट्रीज के बारे में बताता हूँ. The key industries of the state are tea, petroleum and petrochemicals, leather, iron and steel, information technology, biotechnology, mineral resources, fisheries, and jute products.
West Bengal's economy is services driven, with nearly 65% of the state's economy being accounted for by the services sector. Agriculture accounts for only 13% and industry 19% of the total state's economy.
और हाँ, हमारा विष्णुपुर का टेराकोटा भी बहुत फेमस है।
हाँ, और हमारा बालूचरी और स्वर्णाचली साड़ी वो भी तो कुछ कम नहीं है।
अच्छा, अब हम लोग चलते हैं.
Bye bye.
Bye.
चल काका, अब हम बंगाल की राजधानी कोलकाता चलते हैं। अच्छा, बंगाल का चीफ मिनिस्टर ममता बनर्जी है ना, और वहाँ का गवर्नर केसरीनाथ त्रिपाठी है। मैं तो इस बार कोलकाता का मेट्रो रेल चढ़कर ही आऊंगा। ये तो इंडिया का फर्स्ट मेट्रो रेल है ना, तब तो मैं तो दार्जिलिंग का टॉय ट्रेन चढ़ूंगा। वही ना, जिसे दार्जिलिंग हिमालयन रेल कहते हैं। इसे तो यूनेस्को ने 1999 में वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज लिस्ट में शामिल किया था। तो चल, ताली।
अरे वाह अरे वाह अरे वाह वाह, देख जा बंगाल का नजारा देख जा।
फोटो हुलिया बेलोर विक्टोरिया के साथ साइड सिटी को भी लेके कर जा हमारा बीच की लंबाई दार्जिलिंग की ठंडाई सुंदरबन का शेर लेके जा शांति निकेतन पे पाले कर जा आगे ज्ञान का भंडार लेके जा दक्षिण सबको प्रणाम कर जा कंकाल का नजारा देखे जा
ए मुन्नी कहाँ जा रहे हो
हम स्कूल जा रहे हैं।
तुम्हारा स्कूल में वेस्ट बंगाल के बारे में कुछ पढ़ाया जाता कि नहीं
हाँ, हमारे स्कूल में वेस्ट बंगाल के बारे में बहुत कुछ पढ़ाया जाता है। मैं आपको कुछ बताऊं? तो सुनिए। Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free and the world has not been broken down into fragments by narrow domestic walls.
ये कविता तो हमारे कवि गुरु रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर का है
हाँ, West Bengal has a number of great educationists like Sri Aurobindo, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, Satyendranath Bose, and many other luminaries. And the Nobel laureates are Kavi Guru Rabindranath Tagore, Mother Teresa, and Amartya Sen. Mama, please इन्हें armed forces के बारे में कुछ बताइए.
Okay. Our state's military heroes. Air Chief Marshal Subrata Mukherjee, was the first Indian Air Chief, and the present Air Chief Arup Raha.